Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can see what's going on, like what's the trending topic in Google. For that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. First you have to go to Google and here you have to search trending in Google. So here it is, and here you have to click on Google Trends, and it's going Trends Google, and here you can see, and you have to just click on trending search real time, and you have to select the country as well. So if you wanna see Canada's trending, so you have to click on Canada. Look, here it is. This is what trending on Canada. So from here you can get to know what's trending in Canada, and here you can see these are trending, and even you can see previous days trending topics as well. So that's it guys, that's how you can see trending topics, like what's going on, what's trending in your country as well. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel.